Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by removing bottlenecks, update the Xbox and games, then connect with HDMI 2. 1 to a 4K, 120Hz display. Once done, enable the TV's game mode and Xbox HDR settings. Make sure auto low latency mode and VRR are on if available. You switch the console to performance mode to favor higher frame rates and verify resolution and refresh rate in display and sound. These first steps unlock the hardware's potential, so later tweaks actually matter. Now you optimize per game settings. Choose performance over quality when you want steadier FPS, and reduce ray tracing or lower resolution scale if stutters occur. Because the Series X has variable power allocation, trade texture resolution versus shadow detail to keep GPU headroom. This yields smoother frame times. Make sure VRR is active and use the game's HDR calibration or the console's brightness test. Also pause background downloads and capture so CPU and I/O prioritize rendering. Finish with system-wide cleanup. Calibrate your TV's HDR and color, update both TV and controller firmware, and prefer wired Ethernet for cloud-enabled features. Once done, optimize capture settings so background recording doesn't steal GPU time, and enable Co-S on your router if needed. If you still see stuttering or artifacts, reboot the console, reseat the HDMI 2. 1 cable, and temporarily lower resolution scaling or turn off ray tracing to identify the culprit. This targeted troubleshooting finds the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.